Reba uriya mugabo hariya yakize kansere y'amara, yari umusirikare ariko ubuzima buragoye. Impamvu dukoze iyi video ni kugira ngo wowe wireba ugire ubumuntu, muze gukurikira amakuru ye n'uburyo twamwegereye n'uwo tuyaganiriye nawe. Biraba mu cyongereza ariko rero kiroroshye, yavugaga gahoro gahoro n'ubuzima yaciyemo nubwo arimo, ariko igikuru ni wowe urimo kureba. Ndagukanguriye kugira ubumuntu. Thank you for serving, sir.
You're welcome. I'll do it again before I let them come here.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're more than welcome. Oh, bless you. Thank you. You have a good day.
God bless you too. What's your name?
Billy.
Billy.
Yes, sir.
So you are William, right?
Yeah. It's really Billy, but my uncle's the only one ever called me William.
Oh, yeah. I know some people will get that name and then shorten it.
Yeah, that's everybody else called me Billy, but he called me William.
Oh, yeah. Your dad?
No, my uncle.
Oh, who gave you that name?
My mom.
Your mom?
Named after my uncle.
Oh.
Which was William. And so then Uncle Bill called me what you want to call me. I don't care.
Where are you originally from? Where are you originally from?
Wisconsin.
Oh, I know Wisconsin. I've been to Green Bay.
Green Bay? Yeah, I was in the northwest corner, about an hour out of Canada.
You eat a lot of cheese there.
Milked a lot of cows.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, when I got old enough to leave the dairy farm, I was gone.
Oh.
And I went and joined the Army.
Oh, when did you join the Army?
Oh, first time was in '76.
Oh, my goodness.
And then I ended up going back, and then I ended up in Kuwait and Iraq.
Oh, you went overseas?
Yeah, oh yeah, in Germany. I've been around. That's why I'm so broke down and wore out now.
Wow. Wow, I like respecting the heroes a lot. And,
no, so the heroes didn't come home.
Oh.
They come home in boxes.
Oh.
That's the heroes in my book.
Right.
But no, I served. My dad served. My uncle served. Two of my cousins served.
Family of servants.
Yeah, that's about it.
Wow. How you ended up in Texas?
Fort Hood.
Oh, Fort Hood, yes. Oh, yeah, I see.
Yep.
Did you have children or?
I've got one son that's 20 now.
Oh.
And he's in South Texas.
Okay.
And then I got one that's in Minnesota. That's about 40 now, I guess.
Yeah.
Yes.
Minnesota, it's beautiful too.
Oh,
they have all those lakes there.
If it wasn't for the cold, I'd still be up there.
That's what the people say.
I can't take the cold no more. My back, my arthritis, everything, I can't take it no more. So.
Right, it's very hot. It's really hot.
So that's why I'm still here.
Right. Since when you became homeless? I can see you were homeless since you went.
So I've been homeless for a little bit over a year now.
Over a year?
Me and my wife, my little dog live out at the lake. Live out at the lake, and I come in town and try to make a little money here and there. And if somebody offers me work that I can do, then I go to work. But it'll get better. It's got to get better one of these. Work myself. I just
here a little bit more money.
Are you sure, buddy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it can help. Yeah.
But it's just something. As long as I can get back to the lake, get back here. When I get what I need, I'll put that map sensor in it. Hopefully that takes care of it.
Yeah.
If it ain't one thing, it's another all the time.
I see. So I have a question I like asking people, especially people who have experience like you, experience of life. What's something someone can do to avoid being homeless?
90% of the time they're homeless because they want to be.
They want to be homeless.
They don't want to have no, what would you call it?
And you say 90%, right? Yeah.
Yeah, they don't want to have no responsibilities.
Right.
And they don't want to have no, like rent, utilities, and stuff like that. A lot of them don't want that. Then you got a bunch of them that are drug addicts, alcoholics, and they just don't care.
Right.
You know, I've been around a bunch of them. I don't drink. I don't do drugs. but I smoke. But I've been smoking since I was 12.
I appreciate that. I think that's a very good thing. You're not doing drug. You're not.
No. I've seen so much of that, and I've seen people that give up everything for that stuff.
Right.
I don't need it.
You told me that you served how many years in total?
Altogether, I've done 6.
6.
Yep.
That's a long time.
Well, I should have listened to my dad and done the other 14.
What's next? What is your plan? I'm just curious. I mean, I like that tattoo.
Yeah, there was 15 of them.
When did you have that?
That was done in 2003.
Wow.
And no, eventually, hopefully, I want to get back on my feet so I can get a place to live and be functional again instead of sitting out here like this.
Right.
Because this makes me feel bad.
Yeah, I see.
You know, I'm not out here because it's easy money.
Right.
I'm out here because right now it's what I got to do. That COVID come in, I had a job working with a carnival, travel, and food, a place to live in. When it come, it stopped all that stuff.
Oh, I see. Yeah, because of COVID, yeah.
And then with my disabilities, nobody wants to give me a job.
Right.
You know, I can't stand long because my leg goes numb, my back, you know, so I just...
That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. You more money, man.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
But that's the way it is. And like I say, I spent some time down in Austin down there. And most of them people, they don't care.
Yeah, I think they have a lot of people there.
Yes, you go down under 290 and 35. It's full of homeless people.
Right.
Some of them got legit reasons, but most of them don't. They just don't care.
Right,
as long as they can get what they want a day, that's all they care about.
Hopefully, I will see you again, buddy.
All righty, thank you. I'll get it together.
You're a strong man, and yeah, we'll get together. And God bless you because He loves you.
Yeah. I don't give up.
Don't give up.
I'm even a cancer survivor. I've been cancer free for 5 years.
Oh, you were a cancer survivor?
Yeah, I've been cancer free for 5 years now.
Wow.
They took out my colon, 16 inches of intestine.
Wow.
And I kept on going.
God is good.
Raised my son and everything and kept on going.
God is good.
Yes, He is.
God is good. That's the way He operates miraculously.
Yep. If He wants somebody to give up, it ain't me. I don't give up.
Wow. You take care, buddy.
Alrighty, thank you. You have a good day now.
Have a good day, and I hope I will see you again.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Alright.
It's just getting too hot for me to sit out here.
It is. It is too hot in Texas.
Alrighty, thank you. You have a good day.
You too.